Hello, today we will guide you through how to find penny stocks on Finviz. In this walkthrough, we'll use Finviz, a free stock research website, to quickly surface stocks priced under $5, often referred to as penny stocks. These companies can be highly volatile, so treat this as a way to discover ideas, not as financial advice. Our goal is simple. Open the Finviz screener, apply a single price filter, and then sort the results so you can scan them in a way that fits your preference. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Finviz website. On the home page, look toward the top navigation bar and click the Screener tab. This takes you to the Stock Screener, where you can filter the market by criteria like price, sector, and more. You'll see a results table in the center and filters arranged above or below it, depending on your view. Next, locate the price filter. It typically appears among the descriptive filters. Click the price drop-down to reveal preset ranges. These are handy because they save you from typing ranges manually and instantly update the results when selected. Choose the option labeled Under 5. This tells the screener to only show stocks trading below $5, aligning with the common threshold used to define penny stocks. As soon as you select it, the results table refreshes to list only those tickers that meet this criterion. You should now see a narrower list, which makes scanning more manageable. Keep in mind, many low-priced stocks have lower liquidity and wider spreads, so later you may want to explore volume or market cap filters to refine quality. But for now, we're focused solely on price. With your list in place, adjust how it's organized. At the top of the results table, click the Price column header. Clicking it once sorts the list. Clicking again flips between ascending and descending order. Use ascending if you want the very lowest prices at the top, or descending if you prefer to start with names closer to $5. This simple toggle helps you quickly align the view with your scanning style. That's it. You've navigated to Finviz, opened the screener, applied the Under 5 price filter, and sorted by price to suit your workflow. From here, you can review tickers in the table and decide which ones merit deeper research.